Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Excel Tech and Tricks. In this video, we are going to discuss how to convert Excel to Word without losing formatting. Let's watch this video and follow the step-by-step methods. But before heading towards the solutions, make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Now, let's move on to know how to convert Excel to Word without losing formatting. Method 1, using copy-paste method. This is an easy and simple way to convert an Excel file to a Word file. All you have to do is copy the contents from an Excel file and paste it into a Word file. To do so, open your Excel worksheet and select the cells you want to copy. You can do this by clicking and dragging over the cells, or by holding down the Shift key while using the arrow keys. Right-click on the selected area and choose Copy, or simply press Ctrl+C on your keyboard. Switch over to your Word document and place your cursor where you want the data to appear. Right-click and choose Paste, or press Ctrl+V. Method 2, using the Insert tab. The next easy method you can try is to convert an Excel file to a Word file using Insert tab. Open a Word document. Click on Insert in the menu bar. Under Text, click on Object. This opens up a dialog box. Click on Create from File. Choose the Excel document to be converted to a Word file and click on OK. Note: check the Link to File checkbox to automatically update the data in the Word file. That is, if any changes are made to the original Excel file, the same changes will get reflected in the Word document. This inserts and links the Excel file into the Word document. Now, you can save the file as a Word document. Go to File, Save and save the file, or click on Ctrl+S to save the file on your device. Method 3, using online tool. Compared to the previous technique, this method of converting Excel to Word requires a few more steps, but works almost 100%. To convert Excel to Word online, open your web browser on your computer. Then, visit https://smallp.com/blog/convert Excel to Word. Go to our converter. Upload your Excel file to convert it to PDF format. Hit Export As, and choose Word. If prompted, choose Convert Selectable Text. And that's it, you now have a Word file. Save the converted file to your PC as a PDF format. Fix worksheet-related issues using Excel Repair tool. If you are facing any error or issue due to Excel file corruption, then you can download the Excel Repair tool by clicking on the link given in the description box. This software is designed with an advanced algorithm to repair all sorts of damages, corruption, and errors in the Excel file. Therefore, just try it and see how it works. So, this is all about how to convert Excel to Word without losing formatting using 3 easy ways. If you found this video useful, then give it a like, share it with other users, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel to watch more useful videos. Thanks for watching.